Hi guys, look at this one. I'm just trying to learn how to control the RC. Basically, I'm beginner in playing the RC world, especially this drifting. This is the WPL. This is, if I'm not mistaken, this is the Beatles. Now I want to compare to you guys using this WPL, the Beetle version, and the MN, which is the Hong Kong taxi, which I believe is designed for drifting. And as you can see here, my target only here is just to make 3 rounds, that I will never hit anything on this D DIY, what you call, do it yourself racetrack. And then this is almost, I did it more than an hour practicing how to drift. And as you can see, this hotel taxi from MN, I believe there's a special design for this RC car being a drift car. And as you can see here, I'm a bit learning how to control the steering, especially this is a drift car. But what I notice is like you're driving a little bit luxury car compared to the Beatles, which is very manual. As you can see it here, I almost got perfect the racetrack without touching anything, and then I mastered to learn how to use the steering. So I believe this is the best starter for the beginner if you want to learn how to use a drift car. And then as you can see for the coming video, that I'm having difficulty to control the steering even in a crawler, or what you call this one, rigs, because my first reason why I come to this remote control cars hobby, because of the fascinating setup about the, the scaler. You're almost seeing like a real one. And then that's why I come to this hobby, to use to drive all those rigs to the look like real world of off-road. And as you can see here now, I almost hit every time the corner, this wonderful expensive racetrack. Look at this one. This is all the things from the garden. So my main reason for this is just to learn how to control the steering, and very ambitious. I want to jump straight ahead to the drift car. But I'm very proud to those who are playing those professional drift car, like the real one. I think that is a two-wheel drive. I mean the rear drive system, that what you are going to use if you want to join the drifting car. But for those who are planning to go to that drift car, I suggest that this MN, I forgot the series number, the Hong Kong taxi, is the best starter how to control and to steer. You need to learn the basic control of the steering of the remote control cars, like mostly the what you call this one, the drifting car. But as I believe, the professional one, which one the looks real one, if you are playing, as you can see, they are very slow, they have very precise control. I mean, this is, I think, the different version from those four-wheel drive that you can drive so fast. That's why if you're able to learn this speedy drifting car, which is a good practice to control your steering. And the hard thing, this one, is your left hand has a control for its speed, and the right hand, you need to separate your brain just to control the speed and control the steering, how to maneuver and how to drive how to use the steering. And I can suggest you guys, just try to start with this Hong Kong taxi from MN. Because there's a design already for the drifting car. I can feel the smoothness with the knob or the steering compared to the basic remote control car, which is the Volkswagen that I showed to you guys, the Beetle from WPL. So this hotel taxi is a perfect starter for you to learn how to use the drift car. But actually, this is a very controlled speed. That's why I'm having difficulty to control my steering, because once I'm getting excited, it's getting wild, and then I don't know even how to skid the tire if you are in the real drifting car, because the space is small, and then this is not the design for the professional one, which is they are using the real wheel drive system, while I believe this is a four-wheel drive, and this is a fast drifting car. This is not designed for the real, like the small professional race truck. I don't know if anybody of you knows which is the best starter drifting car, like MST. I think this is one of my option. HNR, I just trying to review what this is. HNR, which brand is this, and I don't like this Tamiya, which mostly they are kit, even for the basic what you call this one, rig. I'm having difficulty to assemble it, and what more if you're gonna do it by parts. So thank you guys, and I hope you enjoy the video, and you gonna find yourself the best design of this racetrack of mine. Enjoy!